Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Mukbang testing. I'm going to take these. Oh my god. I'm sitting over there. Not even eating nobody's leftovers. Let me order. Order chicken. Oh god, they add seafood oil. I need the spicy. The seafood boil costs $4. Let me get. Alright, and then I don't like when people are with me, but I'm gonna be chill. Is that any place? Alright. No space, but let's start eating. Let's get fat. Y'all, can y'all tell me how to get this out my inventory? I guess I have to put another table because I did not mean to get like once I get up, I can sit back. Oh, I'm trying to get up for a second. What sauce is that? Honey mustard. Yup, it's all this is for him because he's not giving up. Alright. I'm eating ramen. I'm gonna eat ramen. I'm eating ramen. Y'all, as I can see, yes, my avatar looks like this because I wanted to see my face eating. Two egg spicy guys. Those have me cost my lunch. Sorry, y'all. You gotta let me get 2 egg spicy. I want dumpling, not gonna lie. I need you, oh God. Don't say these beautiful things that I got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't say these beautiful things that I got. My face. After eating this ramen, I'm gonna be eating chicken. I'm wondering, do we ever get food? Is this part of my avatar? Hold on, let me go check it. The spicy alright, y'all, I need some water. Excuse me. Now it is a rice. That makes no sense. Alright, y'all, chicken time. Oh, damn, cheese sauce. What's this? Honey garlic sauce. Some cheese sauce. Oh. Get the meat. Yeah, there's no way to waste it. Oh my god. What the? Yes. Alright, y'all, that's it. That's the rest of my video. If y'all like it, if y'all would like to subscribe and comment. Alright, bye.